What's up everyone, Chris from Tennessee Islanders. I'm coming at you with a boat hack. I've had a lot of people asking me about this one, how to clean your carpets and make them look great. This is how you do it. As you can see, a little muddy, got some leaves and stuff on there, but we gotta get all this mud out of here. This is all Cherokee Lake mud. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it in a couple easy steps. First things first, let's grab the old trusty hose. Gotta love cheap hoses, they just knot up like crazy. Next, make sure all your receptacles are closed, such as for your trolling motor, etc. Kick on your water. All right, as you can see, we've wet everything down all the way through. On to the next step. You're gonna take a simple can of shaving cream. Yes, you heard right, shaving cream, not shaving aloe. You're gonna spray that all over this deck. You believe what we're doing? You seen right. Get that on there good. Use a can of it. You can get a little down there while we're at it. I understand I didn't clean it great, but that's all right. Cover it all, baby. Once it's coated, grab you a brush just like this. Get the scrubbing. No good, bad way of doing it. Just scrub it. Once you've got it scrubbed down, turn on your hose. Take that puppy and hose her down. Run to the back. All right, she's all sprayed out. The top's done, floor's done, the back is done, this compartment's done. Now we're gonna let her dry and then we'll get to the bigger detail of it. Try and clean up all these sides from catfish guts and all that. Starting to look better. What I did is I brought it out into the sunlight, put an angle on it. Shouldn't take too long to dry. It's looking a whole lot better than it did. Look at that, much better. All cleaned up. Looks like it's nice and dry. All I gotta do is sweep it out. You got a little gunk down here, but I'm gonna sweep it out real good. And then we're gonna work on all the catfish goo, but I think we are ready to rock. For more videos like this, get with me. Subscribe, like, all that fun jazz. It all helps me out a lot. I appreciate y'all. Talk to you soon.